Hey guys, welcome to Black Rock Overland. Today we're going to do some hood catches. So these hood catches, we're going to replace the factory hood latches. These hood latches kind of get old, kind of get sunburned, so we're going to replace them today. Hopefully get rid of some of that hood flutter. So this is going to be our step-by-step. So this is everything that comes with the box. You got your instructions right here. You got some heavy-duty aluminum latches. We're going to be replacing these guys. These guys up here go on top of the hood. They'll catch into that. Alright, so the first step in the instruction is to remove the old hardware. We're going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, now that we got the top removed, we're going to go ahead and do the lower one. And what you're going to need is you're going to want to do a little extension with a 13mm socket. You got to get right behind this little brace right here. So now that we're done installing the old hardware, we want to get two 3/16 Allen wrenches and remove this bottom piece from this top piece. And insert one Allen wrench on one side, the other Allen wrench on the other side, and twist. There we go, take out that pin. Gotta kind of push that one out. There we go. Now that we have that removed, we're gonna go ahead and take our new plastic tabs, remove from the back. These come in the box. And what this does is it helps protect the hood from hitting the latch. We're gonna go ahead and insert it right here where this little tab is. Just like that. You can see that this bracket also has a little protective rubber gasket looking guy right here. And we're gonna be using, it's all new hardware and it's all the same size hardware, so you don't need any additional tools than the ones you already been using. All right, so now we've got our new latch all put together. We're gonna go ahead and insert it. You wanna make sure inside the box there was a little bag full of washers. Make sure you're using those washers to attach it. It doesn't really say that in the instructions, but it's pretty implied, being that there's a bag of random washers in there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put the bottom on first. There's right there, get our washer and our lock nut, and put them on the back. With the top's the same thing. We're gonna take our bolts off. Make sure we have that plastic little O-ring on there. And it's gonna go right on top. Make sure you have the latch part facing down. Put your washers on, and then lock in your nuts. I'm now going to take my 10mm wrench for socket. I'm going to put my 2 washers on the back end and get my hood latch bolted in here. All right, now that our bottom and our tops are secured, we're going to go ahead and grab our aluminum bracket and our pins that we moved from earlier, and we're going to reattach them. So with these pins, one is a pin and one has a screw, and they just basically go inside and they screw together like that. There we go.
These nuts right here are locked. You want to get your crescent wrench and loosen them up. You'll loosen the bottom from the top.
So after we've loosened those nuts, we're just going to twist the whole top and it's going to lengthen. What we want to do is we want to check for fit. So I'm going to drop our hood. We're going to latch it in. If it can't reach, go ahead and lengthen it a little bit more. One more. Go ahead and tighten up these little nuts, these lock nuts here. So we got our driver's side installed, good to go. All our nuts are locked down, fits just right. We're gonna go ahead and go to the other side. Well, that's it, guys. Super easy to install, really durable. Showed you some of the tools, showed you what's in the box. Took me maybe an hour or two with filming to do this. I really like them so far. Watch for more videos. I'm gonna do a review probably in the next 3 or 4 months to see how they're holding on. If you like what we're doing here, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. See ya.